Hey, what's going on? What's going on? In this video, we're going to be talking about lead sleep. We're going to be talking about funnel page builders, funnel builders, and the best funnel builder. Okay, the best funnel builder that you can find. Well, one of the best funnel builders you can find. One that I absolutely love. I'm moving my mic. I'm adjusting my microphone, guys. Give me 1 second. Anyway, how's everybody doing? When we talk about lead generation strategy, we talk about funnel building, and I threw the word best funnel builder in there, but you know, there are 1,001 funnel builders. You can find yourself across the World Wide Web. You can actually find a lot of them absolutely free. Lead Sleep, let me close my window, guys. Lead Sleep is actually a free funnel builder. Okay? And the way I've been framing lead sleep, I'm changing the way I'm framing lead sleep when we talk about funnel builders, or should I say, I want to frame lead sleep as a page builder. Let's talk about page builders, okay? Because you talk about funnels, everybody doesn't want to create a funnel. Okay, everybody doesn't want to build a funnel, right? But if you have a great page builder, which you should have, by the way, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a digital marketer, if you work from home at MLM, network marketing, whatever you're doing, you should have yourself a great page builder. Why, you might ask, should I have a great page builder? Okay, if you have a great page builder, you can create yourself some great little pages of what I like to call internet real estate, right? You can just create yourself pages. If you don't want to build a funnel, don't build a funnel. If you want to build a list, don't build a list. But you can create some dynamic pages when you have your own page builder. The reason I'm talking about lead sleep is because a lot of the pages that I build them inside of lead sleep. Free page builder. Here's the cool thing about lead sleep. It doubles, it triples as a list builder, as a funnel builder, right? You want to build a list? Okay, you can check that box off when it comes to lead sleep. You can build all kinds of capture pages. You want to build a funnel? You can check that off too, okay? Because you can build yourself a great funnel. A funnel is simply someone coming through your lead capture page, landing on a thank you or bridge page, which is what I'm on right now, because I have myself a page builder, right? And then the funnel, so you can build yourself funnels. You can build a list, you can build a funnel, you can build pages, right? So if you're an entrepreneur, a person that's been hanging out online or searching and Googling, how can I make extra money working from home online? How can I earn just a little bit of extra income? Gosh, I wish I could start my own side hustle. If you had yourself a great page builder, funnel builder, list builder, you can use that page builder, funnel builder, list builder to make extra money working from home with a simple, free page builder that I'm going to introduce you to today. If for you guys who don't know, it's called Lead Sleep. Now, I'm going to go ahead on and say congratulations to those of you who came through my lead capture page, right? A lot of you ended up here either because you came through my lead capture page, right? And I give you this training as bonus training, or you actually landed on, if it wasn't my lead capture page, I sometimes I'll throw, this is in all of my bonus pages as well. So once you're on my list, the Lead Sleep Capture Page Club and this bonus training, you automatically instant access to it. So you guys, this is the only way you could have got here. And I mean, if you saw me on YouTube, I'm just doing this video today. But that's the way that you got here, right? So I was able to siphon, if you will, I was able to get you interested enough from the captions on my lead capture page, or from one of my many, now probably thousands of pages that I use to build with my page builder inside of Lead Sleep and inside of the HBA Funnel Builder. And so here we are. And for those of you who are finding me any other ways, because I did some research on funnel page building. I did some research on funnel builders. I did some research on the best funnel builder. I did some research on why you would want to have a page builder. The research I did was by having a page builder of my own. I've made thousands upon thousands of dollars using not just Leads Leap, different page builders, if you will, different systems like Leads Leap, include the Power Lead system, the HBA funnel, but you know, they all do the same thing, right? But when you're able to build yourself a page, now you have that real estate, and you can put anything on that page that you want to put on that page. You can put training on that page, like I'm doing inside of the Leads Leap Capture Page Club, right? You can put whatever you want, an explainer video, right? Bonuses, right? You can do all of that stuff just by having yourself a page builder. Inside of Leads Leap, there's a library that's already done for you. That's got lead capture pages and thank you pages. You know, you can just plug right into those pages. And then guess what, guys? You can go out and get yourself a domain name if you want. You don't have to. And you can point that domain to the page that you just built. What would be the benefit of that? Well, if you are a social media person, you can point people right back to therealcashapp.com. You can point people any way you want to with that domain name, and it's simply a domain that goes, it takes your prospects, right to the page that domain you have redirected that domain to. It could be a page like this. I'm going to show you guys something. Because this is where I want you to get really excited. So if somebody's sitting next to you, tap them on the shoulder and say, this is where we're supposed to get real excited. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. To do that, you should have done it, guys. It takes a millisecond. Okay, so here we are. Now, so you're starting to build your own pages, or if you don't want to build one, just using one of the existing pages that's inside of your Leads Leap library, right? And then you're going to attach the thing you want. If it's a lead capture page, then you're going to bring that lead capture page to your thank you page or your bridge page. If it's just a page that you want to build, and you'll just build it from one of those templates or one that I'll give you guys. Actually, you can have this one. And then you can do whatever you want with that page. You can edit every single thing on this page out. If you just didn't want to go through creating your own page, but you wanted something like this. Well, you can change all the images. You can redirect all the buttons. You can do all of that, right? That's why I'm always talking so much about the Leads Leap Funnel Page Builder. That's why I'm always talking about the power and the importance of lead generation strategies, and particularly why I consider Leads Leap to be one of the best funnel builders on the market. I love Leads Leap. I love the HBA funnel. I will never, ever, ever part with them. Long after I passed away, guys, I will have one of my children, right? One of my children, my sons or my daughter, stay connected inside of Leads Leap. Okay? We'll talk about that later on. But okay, so let's talk more about building funnels or just having a page where you can do business from. You can do business from this page, right? You can do all kinds of business. You can give away free things, and don't let giving away free things. Don't get that twisted. You can give away free stuff and make a lot of money giving away free stuff. I'm going to show you guys a great example of that in a second. But here's the thing. If you are a person, if you are an individual who came through one of my funnels, it's because you wanted to learn more about what I'm doing inside of the Leads Leap Capture Page Club and how the Leads Leap Capture Page Club ties into every funnel that I build, and this kind of training ties into every funnel that I build, right? Because I have a great page builder. I like to build pages and funnels, and I like to build my email subscribers list and implement lead generation strategies to get in front of my ideal audience. That was a mouthful, but I hope that it makes sense, guys. Okay, so guys, let's look at what it is you can do and what it is I'm continuing to do and what it is I will never stop doing when it comes to making money working from home, using Leads Leap as one of the best funnel builders on the market, using the HBA funnel builder to build funnels like this. You can build them like this in Leads Leap too, and I will never, ever part with them. Okay, now, this is another page that I created, and I create them. I create them all the time. Why? Because in the wonderful world of digital marketing, guys, in the wonderful world of digital marketing, there are thousands upon thousands of people who are looking to have certain problems solved digitally. right? They're actually on their PCs or on their mobile devices, literally searching in real time to have problems solved digitally. And when those people go out, those millions upon millions of people go out to start searching for ways to have certain problems solved, you can be on the other end of that solution. That's why I create pages like this. And you never know where they're going to be and how they're going to find you. Well, you will know as you start doing it. You know, you can run ads on social media, right? Just simple post. And you can bring those people into your pipeline, into your page that you use to build with your page builder, and you can start to solve the problem that they want to have solved, if that makes sense. Now, guys, I branched out into some other areas that you guys won't even see for maybe months from now, right? Because inside of all of my funnels, what I've decided to do is make sure that I not only build funnels and systems, right? The tools, the resources, the advertising that you can use to build whatever you want, but the exact same funnel that I use, now you guys are going to be able to use those exact same funnels. And guess what, guys? Yours truly is going to personally code and load any of those sites for you with your existing affiliate links. And get this, I'm going to include lifetime hosting and editing. You'll see where that comes into play, and you already know if you've come through one of my funnels. Because what we're doing, guys, is this is my Come AI with me, or one of my Come AI with me, if you will, funnel pages. And what we're doing inside of all the funnels, without trying to go too much into detail, but trying to stay more on point about the power and the importance of being able to create your own pages with your own page builders, with your own funnel page builder. You can call it whatever you want. You can do pages like this. And you can do them in seconds. I said you could do them in seconds. Then, once they're built out, now, guys, you can make as many replicas of that page as you want. Does that make sense? I can make as many copies of this page as I want. There is no cap on how many pages I can make just like this. In fact, I can just hit a button. It will copy this page. It'll copy everything on this page. Now, before I tell you about why that's so cool, let me show you what you can do when you can do that. You can create pages like this, move product and service, which we're doing. You guys already, some of you guys know about this, some of you don't. Doesn't matter. If you do, you know what we're talking about, right? But we're locking all kinds of super bonuses inside the page now, guys. Why? Because two reasons. One, we want people that we invite into our pipeline, into our world. We want them to have the same, if not more, of a level of success as we do, or at least we want to set the stage for them to be able to do so, because there's some work involved. I don't even know what you call it work, right? This is more fun for me than anything else, but I make money doing it, so I guess you could say technically it's work because I'm getting paid for it all the time. So you throw your bonuses inside. We want to continue to pass on the bonuses to our new team members. Inside of the funnels are affiliate links. They're all affiliate components to different products and services, AI tools, training that you can use and continue to make money from as well. You pick up the product, you use it, you like it, you keep it. And so will your prospects. Does that make sense, guys? So we load our funnels once we build them out with our pages with all kinds of great bonuses that people can actually use, by the way. And then we lock them into our page, right? And you guys, by the way, you guys can pick up the same page. I'm going to surprise you guys. I'm not even going to tell you what the links are for in the YouTube video. You guys go in and find out. But I go in and I play with these pages. I edit them out. I do what I want to do, right? And here's the most beautiful thing about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and working from home as a home-based business, entrepreneur, side hustle. I don't care what you call it. You can do what you want to do, right? So now as you come AI with us, and then you come AI with us funnels, you're going to be able to pick up all kinds of cool bonuses, guys. And you're going to be able to link them right up to your affiliate link. So you ain't got to load and code anything in these instances because I do all the loading and coding for you. It's got to be worth my while to do it. You guys will understand it when you come through any of the pages. Right now, I want you to think about the awesome power of page builders and why you want to be able to build yourself, have the capability of building yourself your own funnel pages or your own pages using a page builder. I did all of this. It took me an hour because I took my time, and I'm still not finished. I got a few more buttons I want to throw in, but again, we're going to keep adding and over-delivering with our super bonus resources, training, right? Some really cool free stuff. Some really cool free stuff, okay? But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, right? So, guys, without taking up any more of your time, if now you've come to understand a little bit more about the awesome power of being able to build your pages and build your own funnels and to build your own list, and you actually one of the people that came through one of my particular funnels, guys, congratulations. And if you haven't, come on inside. I'll congratulate you in advance. But get into the training. Understand that you can build your own pages and you can do it right here inside of the new Lead Sleep Capture Page Club. Any of the funnels that you happen to come through, because we talk about connecting all of the funnels, right through this training, right? Taking this same bonus page if you want and make it your own for your own club, or if you want to. It's totally up to you. Thanks to the awesome power of AI, we can do all of this stuff in mere seconds. I've been talking a lot about the 7-hour work week. You can literally work an hour a day if you wanted to, more, less, and put these kind of pages together and break it in time. Because once you have a page, all you're doing now is you're replicating those pages. And when you can replicate the pages, you can go in to continue to promote different products and services through the same pages using the same template with the same cool bonuses, or you can add some bonuses if you want. But the world can become your oyster when you do so. Thanks so much for sitting in. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. Guys, keep your eyes out for my next YouTube video. Keep making it happen.